you for not telling them the reason you sent him out.
Was I supposed to send him away? The answer is no. But I did what I did because you forced me to take in that action.
But I told you I did not sleep with him.
You told me you did not sleep with him. For the fact that you talked to him about that at all is the most shameful and disgraceful thing you have ever done in this marriage. I'm disappointed.
I am sorry, my love.
Stop this. You say, I am sorry, as if it's going to change anything. It will not. It's a mistake that you've made already. There is nothing anybody can do about it. My major worry is, how am I going to handle your daughters that needed this young man, this cook by all means? How do I handle them? Because I'm not bringing him back.
My love, you have to bring him back. You know how they are. They are not ready to eat nor do anything if you don't bring him back. You know how they behave already. Please, I am begging you. Please, don't look at my sons. Beg you.
No. They have to learn how to adjust without him. I'm not bringing him back.
Oh no. Yes, Mike.
You wanted to see me. So what is it that you want to see?
My king, I brought good news.
Yes.
Do you know the famous Igbo Ohazurike, one of Ama Kingdom?
Yes.
I heard his second son is in need of a wife and is ready to make his choice. If possible, someone from a royal family.
What are you waiting for? Huh? What are you waiting for? Huh? Tell him to come and pick any of my daughters.
Exactly why I am here, my king. Do you know if he eventually marries any of your daughter, you automatically have an heir to your throne?
Really? You see, that is why I keep talking about you. I'm very, very happy. So what do I do to make him marry any of my daughters? Just tell me, advise me.
Well, my king, I will go and see the father, the king, today, and to inform him your interest of becoming his prospective in-law, so that the son will proceed to visit your palace.
Wapioso. Be fast about it. Let him come and pick any of my daughters. I will oblige him.
You're welcome, my king.
I will oblige him.
There is one thing.
What is it?
For the prince to make a choice of a wife, she needs to be a good dancer.
A good dancer.
Yes, my king.
You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you, my king. You know, my king, your palace can be likened to a paradise. I must confess, you are indeed a man of high taste.
You can say that again. Once again, you're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, my king.
Yeah. What of your father, King Ohazurike of Imama Kingdom?
He's alive and well. You know, he sent his regards after telling me you went to the same primary school in the 60s.
Yeah, exactly. Your father, the king, used to be my classmate. He used to be a very intelligent scholar, very brilliant, you know. And the get him scholarship for him to study overseas.
Yes, he told me that. Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my dear. Sit.
My queen,
Yes, my darling.
Prince Ifeanyi Chukwu, the second son of King Ohazulike of Imama Kingdom.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're welcome to our home. You're such a handsome prince.
Thank you, my queen. You know, my queen, I am blessed to be in this palace.
You can say that again. You're welcome.
Yeah, before I continue with this discussion, I think I have to do the needful. I have to give you cola nuts. My daughter, do you know why I called you here?
No, Father.
I am looking for a wonderful dancer. Do you know where I can get anyone?
Father, what are you doing with a dancer?
Don't worry, there's a development. But I'll open up to you and your sisters once the time is ripe.
Father, I hope everything is okay.
Everything is okay. Everything is all right. Just get me a dancer and I'll tell you what is happening. Yes.
Well, I am surprised you are looking for a dancer while you sent the one we have in this palace away. Yes, Father.
Who?
You sent him away.
What are you trying to say? Benji?
Yes, of course.
Are you trying to say that the cook is a wonderful dancer?
Father, he is a very good dancer. If he dances for you, Father, you will forget your sorrows. I am very sure of what I'm saying. I'm telling you.
Benjamin.
Yes, Benjamin, Father. I am very sure. But unfortunately, he has gone.
Hey, my brother, have you heard the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo daya. He's calling there for kitchen and pot. Hey, my brother, have you heard the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo daya. He's calling there for kitchen and pot. Try if you chop his food. If on a medal, if on a si Benicia Mechaka.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. Benji,
Your Highness.
I did not ask you to come back and resume your work because I wanted to. But it's because I am expected to, especially now that a particular opportunity presented itself. My daughters,
Father.
something good is about to happen to this family. And that is something I've been keeping away from all of you for quite some time now. I think it's the right time to let the cats out of the bag. You all know popular Igwe Ohazurike of Imam Kingdom.
Yes, Father.
Good.
I love him.
His second son, Ifeanyi Chukwu, is about to choose a bride.
Wow.
But again, he must choose the bride from the royal line.
Yeah.
Automatically, that means the royal family must be favored. That means one of my daughters must be favored.
You don't mean it.
Father.
Good. Thank God that you're here. So, I deemed it wise to broach all of you on this. And that was why I had to invite Benjamin. Because that marriage must be consummated in one condition. That the bride in question must be a wonderful dancer. I was told that Benji here knows how to dance. That was the information reaching me.
Yes, Father.
That is where he comes to place, to teach all of you how to dance.
Perfect, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. That's so good.
So you're welcome.
So, what do you think, Angie?
About what exactly?
About dancing for the prince.
Oh, I can't wait to dance for the prince. Yes, of course. Who wouldn't want to marry a prince?
Right?
Yes.
And I should dance for him too.
Oh, wait, Ola. Were you thinking of not doing that?
Not really. Just that I just wanted to be sure it's what every one of us wants. That's it.
Oh, I see. Anyway, like I said, I will be a foolish person not to dance for the prince.
I know, right?
Come on, a prince, his father is very influential, powerful, and has everything.
Tell me about it.
Yes, I would definitely dance for the prince.
Okay. Okay.
So your game?
100%.
So you were gisting me about something before.
I don't think I want to dance for the prince. Why? Aren't you tired of this royalty lifestyle already? If you're not, me, I'm tired. That's why I even want to marry a commoner that will take me around the whole world. Instead of marrying a prince whom I will still live in a confined place called palace. Let's go explore, man. Tired.
Since you have a point there. Yeah.
But that does not mean you're not dancing for the prince, because me, I would like him to marry you.
You want him to marry me?
Yes.
Not me and you.
Why? What are you saying? Aren't you our elder sister again? Eh? You are the Adam now, you deserve the best. I don't know you can.
Well, you're right. But I'm not convinced yet. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm still thinking about it.
My sister.
You know what you said now? That marrying a commoner will be more fun. That is what I also want.
Ha! I lied though. Don't mind me. Yeah, do not mind me. You know what? Marry royalty because you're the first daughter of this family. Forget that I say you should marry a commoner. Don't you like this lifestyle you're living? The lifestyle is sweet. To me, I like good things. You know already. So, don't listen to me. As the first daughter, you deserve the best. So I think you should go for him. Don't mind us.
You have a point.
You and the prince now. That's can get me.
I'll think about it.
You should.
Maybe I'll join you. I'll start taking the dancing class seriously.
You should though. You should now.
Alright.
You need to go and marry.
I'm tired of this marry. Like, does my life depend on marriage?
Not really. Not really, but
Why is everybody telling me marry? What's that?
Let's cheers. Toast to our success.
Yes, so one love.
I cannot believe that the tussle for the successor to the throne is finally behind us. We made it.
Honestly, my dear wife, I am very, very happy that I have Onowu as a friend. Honestly speaking, when he brought that news, I was very, very happy.
I know. See that Onowu? He is indeed a good man. Wonderful to the world.
I'm telling you, he's a good man. He has a golden heart.
Honestly.
I just thank God I have somebody like him as a friend. And as my Ono,
Do you know, he takes everything that has to do with us to heart. He cares about us. The children, the throne, our family, everything. As if we are his own. He's not selfish in any way. He is not an evil man. My love, I just like his person.
Same here. Same here. And I will stop at nothing by appreciating that man with a car gift when this whole thing is over.
Oh my goodness.
My mind is made. I'll give him a car.
And I support you all the way.
Let's toast for that.
Cheers.
One love.
My loving husband.
So why didn't you come for dancing class today? I hope you're alright.
I am very fine, thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
Urena. You always forget.
Urena. I missed you calling you my princess. I mean, what happened now? You can't just say you're fine. So why didn't you come out?
I don't think it's right to be in a competition with my sisters. Yes. Besides, I am not ready to settle down with any man now. Let them get married if they want, not me.
Are you saying you're not ready for marriage yet or what?
No, I didn't say so.
You don't want to get married?
Yes, I am not ready now. They are quite older than I am. Let me give them the chance to get married.
You're wrong. Marriage is not by age, but destiny. Yes, some are destined to marry early.
That's true. I know. But I want my sisters to get married. They are quite older than I am. So tell me, how was it?
Very boring and uninteresting.
Are you serious? Why?
Yes. If not for the respect I have for your father, I wouldn't tell them that. I would have just said I'm sick, that I can't teach anybody.
Oh, please. Don't say this. If not for anything, just do it for the sake of my sisters. I want them to get married. Okay, just do it for me. Okay?
I should do it for you.
Yes.
I will do it for you on one condition.
Okay. What's that?
You must be present while I teach them.
You are very funny. I thought you'd say you let me wash another dishes for you.
No. Just be present.
It's okay. Consider it done. I will do it for you.
Alright then.
What if the prince does not choose any of our daughters? That means all the dancing classes they've been attending would have been in vain.
I'm not even thinking towards that direction. But I want you to note one thing. The prince must pick a bride from the royal line.
You talk as if it's only our daughters that are from royal line. There are other girls there that are from royal blood too. And from other villages. He could choose from them.
But the prince's interest is here, is in this family.
I'm just showing concern.
You are showing concern, but I want you to know the truth. There is no way that man will not make a choice out of my beautiful daughters. I think the only prayer is for God to favor us this time.
I just wish he would pick our daughter. Ify. That girl has been waiting on God for a husband. I just pray fate will smile on her this time around. And she's picked our first food.
I see that our thought goes towards the same line. God will do it.
Amen.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Joy, ordinary cook, don't to love.
Hi, my princess.
Benjamin. You know I'm not happy with you for rejecting my proposal the last time.
I'm sorry, my princess, just that I was scared and confused at the same time. I didn't know how to react.
Well, that's okay. You're such a good dancer, you know. So I came to find out, how did you learn all these wonderful steps? Who taught you?
My grandma was a great dancer before she died. So while growing up, I lived with her. That was how I learned how to dance.
You're joking, right?
I'm serious.
Oh, wow. Lucky you then. At least you know who your grandma is, unlike us. Our grandma died even before our parents met.
So my princess, what do you want? As you can see, I'm resting. You want food?
Of course, no. You know what I want? I want you, Benjamin. Where are you going to? It's you I want. I want you. Listen to me. Even if it's just this one time. Do not marry me. Just sleep with me, okay? Please. I want you.
My princess.
Benjamin.
My princess. How did they need to remove this royal clothes?
Okay, start from the back.
Sis, I have been trying to talk to Ngozi and Ola not to be in their beds on the day of selection. Because I wouldn't want anything that would make Prince Mama not to select you as his wife.
Excuse me. Now, why would you want to do a thing like that? Why are you discouraging them? Listen, I do not care. I don't care whether he chooses me or not. Yeah, he can go ahead and choose any of you. It's not my business. I'm fine. Honestly. So you don't have to tell them that, please.
Wait. I don't understand you. What are you talking about?
Baby sis, what I'm talking about is very simple. That I, Princess Ifeyinwa, is not interested in any so-called prince. So the rest of you can go ahead and look your best that day. No, he's free to choose any of you. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not in a hurry, please. I'm not desperate too.
Sis, what is really going on? Huh? Obuzekwage?
You see, you are my baby sis, and I know that you're still coming up, so there are a lot of things you will not really understand now, but you will definitely understand much, much later. You see, this life is quite deep. Sometimes you run into this fine-looking man who doesn't have all to give you, I mean, financially and otherwise. But in bed, he's super capable of giving you the most pleasurable ride you can ever think of. And you know what? That is the exactly kind of man I am searching for in a husband. You know, you're still coming up, so you might not really understand what I'm saying, but that's my kind of man.
Sis, I don't know what is really going on with you, honestly.
It's not for you to understand me now, but I know you will do soon.
I don't get joy again. Everybody must get rescued. Joy, Benji, in a barrel.
The most sexiest. How are you?
My princess, please watch how you barge into my room. I just finished bathing. I'm dressing up and just walking.
How I wish you can go back there, so we can take our bed together. What do you think?
What do you want?
I want a special class from you.
But I've told you people that there is no dancing class today. I need to rest.
That's the more reason why I'm here. Yeah. You know, I need a special and private class from you. The last time I saw my sisters smooshing their bodies around you during the dancing class, I kept my cool because I knew I was going to have a special class with you. That is why I'm here.
You want a special class with me?
Of course.
Princess. Princess. Chori Izuike. Extra class demands extra fee. Yes. So if you want extra class, you have to pay more.
I am not a church rat, okay? I'm a princess. I'm equal to the task. Just don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Let's go back to the bathroom now. You know it's private class. You have to keep it private.
Fine, okay, let's go.
But now I don't miss you.
I hope you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it. Come on. Like, this feels like a dream come true, my love. I've been wanting this opportunity, but you kept on denying me.
Yes, I know. I always see it in your eyes. But I needed to be sure you know what you want.
Of course. Of course. That was why you kept on denying me. But to tell you the truth now, Itoka, you're so sweet. If there's anything better than sweet, that is what you are.
So this is what you ever wanted?
Of course.
Listen, let me tell you now.
Okay.
I can't wait. Like, I can't wait to choose you as my wife.
Oh my gosh! Oh my baby! Oh sugar! Oh my God!
Lower your voice. You know this relationship is the secret.
Yes.
You've not announced it yet.
God!
Keep it on the low.
You know how happy you make me feel. I couldn't contain my joy. Honestly. Thank you. I can't wait to be yours.
We are together forever.
I love you.
I love you more.
Thank you.
I love you.
Now listen, baby. Anything you want from now. I mean, anything money can buy, but the one money cannot buy, I will give it to you. I want to spoil you so that you will know that you're dealing with a rich princess.
No, I don't collect money from women.
No, baby.
I don't collect money from women. No.
No, your own mind. I love you.
Where is Ngozi? Where is Ngozi? I guess she's inside. The competition will now hold this weekend.
Really?
Yes, I heard from a reliable source that Prince Ifani will be coming to the palace this weekend to see father. And once he's here, the selection will take place.
He'll be coming this weekend?
Yes.
In that case, we don't have much time then.
No, really, we don't have time.
And here we are still thinking we still got time.
Wow. I can't wait to welcome the prince into this palace. Sis, you know I'm not dancing on that day.
Why? Why are you not dancing?
Sis, I am not interested in getting married anytime soon. But don't worry, sis. I will be there to cheer you up.
Anyway, I need to go and see Ngozi and give her the good news.
Sis, don't worry. I wish you all the best.
You should wish your luck to someone else, someone that truly needs it, because as for me, I do not need it. I've already made it clear to you that I'm not interested in marrying any dirty prince from any kingdom. Yeah, I will be participating on the dance simply because I just want to please father, not like it's my wish. Yeah, so you can wish your luck to someone else. I'm fine.
So who do you want to marry, my sister? Yes.
You want to know who I want to marry?
Of course.
Okay. I shall be unveiling him soon.
Soon?
And when I do, you'll see why my heart yields for him.
Wow.
Yeah. He's every woman's man.
I can't wait.
Of course.
I'm happy for you.
Are you serious?
Cheers.
Hug me. Kiss me, just kiss me small. Okay. I love you.
Ordinary cook, I'm done to love a boy. I was in my heart to get you, child. And I saw in my soul, but now I don't face you. Masakada, Onyanji de Lentabia.
What are you doing in Ben's room?
And what is this supposed to mean? Where is that question coming from?
No, I want to know. What were you doing in his room?
I can see you have gone out of your mind. How dare you shout at me? Oledo, how dare you? And now listen to me. If you want to find out what I went to Ben's room to do, why don't you go in there and find out yourself?
Let it not be what I'm thinking of.
Whatever.
Ngozika. Ngozika, how dare you? How dare you?
And why are you shouting at me, Ola? Who gave you the right to shout
Oh,
at me?
shut up your stinking mouth!
Can you imagine?
What is this, man? No, what is it? Why are you both shouting like mad people? What is because of this one
Can
now?
you imagine this chameleon, this idiot, this good for nothing, going behind me to sleep with my man?
And if I may ask, who is your man?
The cook.
The cook?
Yes.
Wait a minute. I need to get something clear. Wait a minute. Who are you both referring to as your man? You mean Benjamin, my man? I mean the cook, Benjamin, my man? Is that who you both are here fighting for?
Yes, did I hear you well? You said Benjamin, your man. Imasikwa bankata. Obosikwa give an good stay. Oh, anyway, I don't have anything to say. And you listen. Benjamin is my man. And mine alone.
You lie! Stay away from Benjamin. He belongs to me.
Oh, I hear.
This must be a dream or something. You both must be seriously dreaming, yeah? Because I'm trying to understand what the hell is going on here. Now listen, you two slimy bastards. If you have started scanvanting around him, stay the hell away from him. Because I am not joking.
And you two listen to me.
Listen to me. This does not have anything to do with blood. I will not spare any bastard if he tried to stop me or try to steal him from me. I will kill any bastard that tries to come in between me and him.
In other words, who are you calling bastard?
The both of you.
You're mad.
And you won't listen to me.
You're raving mad.
I am going to kill
raving
anybody
mad.
who will come against between I and my Benjamin. Nobody!
Nobody!
I will kill you!
I will laugh at you girls! But listen to me. I don't want to see you or you close to Benjamin.
Get out! Can you imagine?
Wait a minute.
Don't try me!
Yeah? Ola, who are you frightening? Did you just frighten me?
Of course!
You frightened me?
What will you do?
Me?
Ifeyinwa, what on earth will you do? I want to know. Oh my God! Again, you want to judge me?
That's your business!
You judge.
Nobody should come close to me! Stupid people!
Don't try me!
And I will stay elder sisters!
I'm respecting
my food!
I'm respecting you!
Don't try
though! Don't
come close to me!
Don't try me!
Listen, girls. I called this meeting, this very important meeting, to address you all. Yes. To remind you all who your eldest sister is. In case you have forgotten. Because it seems to me that some of you suffer from loss of memories. Yes. Who your elder sister is. I just want to remind you all that I, Princess Ifeyinwa, still remains your elder sister. And so, it is my rights to take or be given anything first before any of you.
I don't understand. Where are you driving at?
Okay, very simple. I'm just gonna make it straight and short.
Okay.
You see that guy? I mean the young man named Benjamin. Our cook. Yes, the cook. You know Benjamin?
Mr. Benjamin.
Yes. As the first daughter of this family, I demand that all of you, every one of you, stay away from him. Because he belongs to me. Wait. I look like a joke to you, or? No, is that it? No, why are you calling me? What I want to say is very simple. All of you. Even the ones that move behind my back, meandering, scannivanting around, trying to steal him from me, should back off. For he is my man. This is the last time I will say this. I wouldn't for any reason have to repeat myself. The next time, none of you would like my action, and that's on period.
Elder sister, my foot! How dare you! Did you listen to yourself speak, sis? Sister Ify, you open your mouth to say we should leave Benjamin for you as what? Don't you know we have feelings? We have blood running through our veins. How dare you speak such? Now listen to me. I, Ngosika, will never be alive and leave that boy Benjamin for you. Ooh. Did you hear me? That will be over my dead body.
You better order for your casket, girl.
You girls are just talking rubbish. Why are you guys ranting? Why they rant? No, I want to know. It will be over my dead body. Will I leave Benjamin for the both of you? Over my dead body. Listen. You see Benjamin? I don't want to see any of you close to him. He is mine and not yours. Listen, not now. Not in your entire miserable lives. I'm talking to you cockroaches. You should never near Benjamin. He belongs to me and not you. Yes. Yeah.
Oledo, or whatever you are called. Who did you just address as cockroach?
The two of you.
Really?
Yes.
Oledo, I can see you've grown some wings. It seems to me that you've forgotten how I used to beat you up in those days, right?
Oh my goodness. Ifeyinwa. That was then. Do you think you can try that rubbish again with me? You can't try it, I swear by the gods. I will skin you alive. Oh, no. You think this is the Oledo you used to beat them. Try it now, and I will skin you alive. Try it. Can you imagine? Look at you, old hag. Try it! You dare fight! Try it! Come on, please! What rubbish! You dare fight me! What rubbish! Get ready! Sit down!
They say my food is not enough. They want my jollo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to love a boy. I was in my heart to cake. And now so see my soul.
Urena! Who locked this door?
I thought it's open.
It's locked.
Are you serious? Who could have locked the door? Ola, are you the one that locked this door?
Door. No, I didn't lock the door.
I did.
What? Ifeimwa, what right do you have to lock this door? The last time I checked, this is our room. Madam, please, ma, your servant, we your servants want to leave this place. Open the door, ma.
Nobody will leave this room until you all agree never to drag my man Benjamin with me again.
What? You must be sick in the head. Ifeimwa, you need a medical attention. You're sick, I can see that.
Adamide, or whatever they call you, listen to me. I know you're a troublesome person. You like trouble. But now let me tell you, Ngozika, I am not in the mood for trouble. So please, open this door. I'm only respecting you.
Respect? No, Ngozika. Did I hear you say respect?
You heard me.
No, when did you monkey idiot start respecting me in this palace? When?
Well, you had my respect until you decided to be fornicating with my man, Benjamin. Listen, Ifeimwa, I am ready for you without your madness. Bring it on. Ifeimwa, bring it on, and I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Fire to fire, anyhow you want it, I will give it to you. Please, I'll slap you. Please, don't touch me.
Can we stop?
Don't touch me.
Can we just stop this unnecessary animosity already?
Because I'm respecting you, you lost that respect already. What's wrong with you? Open this door, my friend.
Ola, can we stop this unnecessary animosity already? For the last time, I won't have you insult me any further.
What would you do?
You won't like it. Really? Just do not insult me again.
And if she does, what will you do?
Ask her.
If she does, what will you do?
Ask her.
It seems like your head is skipping, right? You love respect, but you brought yourself to the level of not having respect. You're dragging a man with your 2 siblings. You should be ashamed of yourself, you old cargo. Yes, you heard me.
Ngozika, what is all this? Listen to me. You know I can actually take anything from all of my hair, but definitely not from a church rat. Yes. Are you mad or something?
Open the door!
You dare open your silly gutter mouth and talk back at me like that?
What will you do?
What will I do?
What will you do? What will you do?
Urena! Listen. It's okay. They are not fighting again.
I am happy you are all seated. What in God's name is wrong with you girls? Every time I hear you squabbling over what? What exactly are you all fighting over?
Mother.
I ask you girls, what are you fighting for?
Mother, it's nothing we cannot resolve on our own. It's not that deep, okay?
Really? I can see how you're resolving it. By breaking your little sister's head. What madness? Can't you stop already?
Mother, we are very sorry.
I do not need your apology. All I want is the reason for all this. Because you girls have been living peacefully and happy. Until recently. What changed? I believe you all are listening to me and you can hear me. I am waiting for your answers. What changed?
Hey, my brother.
Can you
stop?
I will give it to you.
Shut up.
How you want
Can you
it.
stop?
You
What
can
is all
imagine.
this?
Don't try me.
Ngozika, I brought you all here for peace. I don't like what you are doing. You want to start fight again?
It's obvious you called a useless meeting. Yeah, and I'm not supposed to be here. If it's not a useless meeting, why are they still quarreling? Because from all indications, these idiots, these two fools, are not ready for peace talk. They want war, and war they shall get. Because as it stands now, I am ready to fight you both to a standstill.
Mumu, close your mouth!
Period.
Can you fight me? Mumu, can you fight me?
Ngozika.
You heard me.
Ngozika.
So if you want to talk, just watch the way you talk and don't even try to insult me. Direct it this way.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Direct it which way?
What's all this? What is all this?
Ngozika,
Sis.
did you just call me Mumu?
Big sis.
No. Allow me to teach her what
A
a Mumu
big
can do.
please.
See my eyes, oh.
Me? Yes. Have you
You
Hey,
Stop.
Ifeyiwa, I am warning you. Ifeyiwa, I am warning you.
No.
I swear I will break your head.
But it's
Did you
okay.
hear me? Don't try me. Don't try me. I will show you. If anybody tries in this palace, I will break their head. Ngozika has spoken.
You don't behave like your other sister at all.
You can imagine. Elder sister, my fool. You're be like elder sister. When you get dragging a man with your younger ones, you should be ashamed of yourself.
So God will bless you, Rena. God will bless you, Rena. Since ever mother gave birth to you, I just saying the truth. You will go to heaven, my sister. God bless you. She's indeed a moron. You are a moron.
Sister,